I'll let you talk about your car and tell me about it. What the hell are we in?
So we are in an 87 RX7 Turbo 2 that spent the last 17 years sitting in a field. Got it from a friend, and it was missing the entire drivetrain, and rotary parts are real expensive, so decided to LS swap this one. So it's got a 5.3 iron block out of a Tahoe, stock motor. It's got the stock cam out of a 98 Camaro SS, 78 millimeter turbo, 85 pound injectors, ported LS2 manifold, 102 millimeter throttle body. That's about it. T56 out of a Camaro, stock rear end, 410 gears, about 7 pounds of boost. A lot of fun.
About how much power do you think it makes?
Enough to pull a full bolt-on GCR. I'm not sure.
Some shit talking.
Sure.
Okay. We said it's on 93?
You're on 93, yeah.
Alright.
E85 is coming soon.
Alright. So we're just going to do this review today, but this would be kind of a process. So this is just kind of the beginning stages of it, and that's what we're going to show you today. Touches to it. He's got a 3D printer at his house. He 3D prints his stuff. That and the gauges,
Gauge cluster, the cluster blanks, the vent blanks, the 3D printing business that I run on the side and sell a lot of this stuff, the cup holder, things like that.
We even got GPS on this thing. The original rotary motor, so I know there's gonna be a lot of butthurt RX7 guys, but he still has the original motor. He plans on doing something with.
We're gonna do something with it. I've had 10 plus RX7s and wanted something different, so join the LS swap club, so we'll see what happens. It'll go into something.
Sweet. That is my buddy Doug's Turbo 5.3 RX7. Another badass car, simple build, lightweight, just works.